In today's video, I'm just going to go over a quick setup in XLY, and also I did want to share this chart because there's also an extension where a move ended up terminating. So again, the video that I did yesterday on extensions, you see it happen over and over and over again. So this prior high to low swing, the 1272 extension, was met here, and we did start to see a nice healthy pullback. But now that we've had a pullback, I've been able to compare that pullback of 435 with some of these prior pullbacks, and this decline was 431. This decline was exactly the same at 435, and this one was probably a little bit less than that. So this high to this low, yeah, 389. But bottom line, if price can hold above here, because this becomes the new decision, then we do have a chance to see another swing to the upside with a typical target of 113.80. But to give you an example of a trigger, you can use the daily levels for day trade decisions also. So an example of that would be if you used, for example, a 3-minute chart to trigger an entry against that key support decision. And the risk, would be very minimal when you're looking at it for a day trade, because here you had the moving average crossover pretty quickly. You also did take out a prior swing high, and at that point your risk is just right underneath either this low or that level. Okay, and you can see that we already have seen a nice little rally from there. So that would be, the day trade decision. It also triggered on a 15-minute chart for a swing trade to keep it overnight. We will need to see it clear this resistance though. I'll have to take a look at that tomorrow, but let me check and see if the 30-minute triggered also. Nope, the 30-minute chart did not trigger an entry yet. So bottom line, symmetry and extensions, two of the important price relationships that I use every single day, and you'll find that they'll work over and over again if you actually apply them to the market.